Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to update a Ria Money Transfer application. So let's jump to the process. First, open your App Store if you are using an iOS. For an Android, open Google Play Store. Here I am going on with Google Play Store. Now tap on the search icon present at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar present at the top. Now type in Ria Money Transfer. After this, tap on the search icon present on your keyboard. Now here you can see Ria Money Transfer Send Money option. Tap on it. Now if you haven't updated your application, you'll be able to find update option instead of open. So tap on update option. So wait for a few seconds till your application gets updated. Once it's done, you'll be able to find open option. Tap on open. With this, you'll be able to update your application. This is how we can update a Ria Money Transfer application. Thank you for watching everyone. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.